Okay, so solving inequality involving absolute values. So as you can see here, that the absolute value there. And the best way to do it is to isolate the absolute value first. So I'm going to move the 6 to this side. It became -6. So 15 minus 6 should be less than absolute value of -2d minus 3. All right, this will give me 9 less than absolute value of -2d minus 3. Okay, now we need to know our formula. So if I have absolute value of a certain entity or x greater than a certain number a, the a here in this case must be greater than 0. All right, this is going to imply the two outcomes. So either the x is going to be greater than a, or the x is going to be less than minus a. And this is our formula that we can apply right now. So applying the formula, this is going to imply the following two outcomes. So -2d minus 3. Here, by the way, the x we have there is actually whatever inside the absolute value, right? So this is my x. So that's going to be -2d minus 3. It can be greater than 9, all right? Or the -2d minus 3 going to be less than -9. And we have a simple linear inequality that we should be able to solve here. So first of all, I think it'd be easier to get the d's positive right away. So if I move the d's to this side, that's going to become positive. Move the 9 to this side, it became -9, right? So I will get -9 minus 3. This should be greater than 2d, and this is a -12 greater than 2d. So divide by 2 both sides, and this will end with d is less than -6. Right. Let's do the same thing here. Move the 2d to this side and -9 to this side. So this is going to be a 9 minus 3 is less than 2d. And you notice if I do that is I end up with positive number of d's, which whenever I divide by a positive number as well, right? So divide both of them by 2. This is going to give me 9 minus 3, which is 6. Divide by 2. And this is going to be d. So this is 3 less than d. All right. So how we grab them? So first put that to number 9. And we noted that both inequalities, they are strict, so they're going to be empty circles, right? So we have -6 first. -6 is going to be here. It's going to be empty circle there. And 3 is going to be somewhere here. So it's going to be an empty circle over here as well, right? So let's make them empty. All right, great. So now, whenever you read the inequalities, it's inequality here, read out with the d first. So if I read the d first, the variable first, d is less than -6, and that I understand less is going to the left. All right, so you can go all the way to -infinity. For the second one, again, I read the variable first. So this way, d is greater than 3. So greater means going to the right side of 3, and that's going to go all the way here. So finally, my solution would be this interval, the solution set. It's starting from -infinity. -infinity can be open. 6 -6 here, it can be open as well because 6 inequality is going to give me empty circle. And then we start again from 3, open, goes all the way to +infinity. The way to add two intervals is to put a union sign between them, and this should be your final solution.